Guys, today we're gonna do Dodge Dart 2016. That's the new key, and that's the customer's key, as you see, working. And this is the new key. Nothing is work. We're gonna do it right now. Hazard on. Okay, I need to buy the pin code, so I'm gonna buy the pin code and we're gonna keep going doing the program. As you see, it's not working. Ignition is on. Hazard's on. Lock, need to be in lock position. 4642. That's it. Success. As you see, now let's check out the key. Hazard on off. Okay, start the car. Beautiful. Remote is working perfect, but I have some issue here. We're gonna find out why security light's still blinking before. Yeah, it's off. Start the car. Beautiful. So guys, anything you need, call me at 718-504-5625. My name is Abe. Old key and new key. Dodge Dart 2016 fobik. It's a very expensive key, very expensive job. We can give you the best deal.